Well, hey guys, I'm on the Harmony of the Seas and I'm in the Central Park area on deck 8. I thought I'd take you on a video walking tour. Now, as you'll notice along the way, they got balcony cabins that overlook Central Park, and I'm actually in one. So if you'll check my other videos, if you want to see what one of them cabins look like, I'll have it there. Now, this is a daytime video. Not many people out here because it's a port day, but hey, if you'll wait to the end, or I'll try to post some video clips along the way from the upper decks looking down, and also try to get you some night video what it looks like down here. So hey, let's get started. Hear birds chirping. I'm pretty sure they're piped in, but maybe not. There's the balcony cabins I was telling you about overlooking Central Park. There's Vintages. Not actually sure what that is. There's Jamie's Italian. There on the right, here's Park Cafe. Trellis Bar. This right here is actually a bar that you can get in, and it goes from deck 8 down to deck 5. And it's real slow, up and down. You can get in and out when it's on one of the decks. Like on the right is Chops Grill. That's a steakhouse. I'll try to stop here and get a little video of the menu. If you want to see it, maybe you'll stop the video. That's actually a specialty restaurant, but I hear it's good. Here's the end if you want to go out, but I'm going to turn around and go back to the other side and take a look down there. Here on the right is 150 Central Park, another restaurant. There's quite a few restaurants down here. I'll take and see if we can get this. You may have to stop the video if you actually want to read it, but there's what the menu looks like. Deck 8, you look all the way up to the top and see the water slide up there. Pretty little area. It's got some benches in there to sit if you just want to come sit out. A lot of music going on down here in the evenings. And this is the restaurant we walked in front of, Jamie's Italian. We're almost back to where we started. And one last little section, I believe they sell watches down here. I'll let you read the names. I'm sure I'd mispronounce them. Hope you enjoyed that little video, walking video tour of the Central Park on Harmony of the Seas. Hey, if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other cruise videos. Till next time, happy cruising.